Hi, folks. It's Ron from Tiger Town here. I'm alive, I'm alert, and I feel great. Apparently, you did a search for balance board exercises for beginners. Just have a listen here. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Linda Clark, and this is my daughter, Gloria Hoffman. We are the co-creators of the Simply Fit board, and we want to welcome you to the Simply Fit family. Today, we're going to teach you how to get started doing the basic twist. You're also going to be able to follow along with 6 different workouts. I'm going to show you how to get started with your Simply Fit board. You may want to hold on to a countertop or a chair when you first get started. Place one foot on one side of the board, place the other foot on the other side in the same spot. You'll notice your board rocks forward, backward, side to side. I always say make friends with your board. You're going to want to get balanced at that center point. Whenever you get balanced and feel comfortable, try twisting a little bit. Still holding on. You're going to feel it in your core. Keep your back straight, your core tight. Once you feel comfortable with this, you can let go and begin the basic twist. The more you get the board going around, you're going to really feel it in your core area. Now, a lot of our customers say when they first start the basic twist, some of them tend to travel or move around the room or in one circle. And all that means is that you are slightly off balance or leaning forward or to one side just a bit. Now, you can see if I lean forward, the board will move forward. All I have to do to correct this is be sure to keep my knees bent, my back straight, my head up. I like to focus on a spot on the wall. And if I start to move forward, you can just simply tilt the board back just a bit to recenter on that center point and start to twist again. This generally works itself out in about 1 to 2 weeks when your balance improves, so don't worry. You can do this board on almost any flooring. If you do have real hardwood floors or tiles, we do recommend putting down a small tight woven rug with a rubber backing. And if you have really plush carpet, sometimes it can be a little more resistant, and you may want to put down an 18 by 18 tile that you can get at any hardware store. You can twist without using weights, but when you add 3 to 5 pound hand weights, you're really going to intensify your workout. You'll really feel it work more in the core, and it's even easier to twist. Yeah, when you add in the hand weights, you're not only getting a great core and leg workout, but now you're getting an arm and upper body workout. One of the best benefits is that twisting actually tracks steps on any fitness tracker. In fact, just 10 minutes of twisting gets you around 1,200 to 1,500 steps, and you burn between 80 and 100 calories every 10 minutes, which is phenomenal. Now, if the basic twist is all you want to do, that's totally fine because you are truly getting a full body workout. But if you want to take your fitness to the next level, join us on any or all of the following 6 workouts.
Okay, folks. If you want to get the details on this, you could just go to the Amazon website that I have. It's called the Shopping Oasis. There's a link in the video description under this video, both to the board itself and to a mat if you wish to buy the mat. And I'm glad you stuck around till the end. If you liked the video, you got value from it, you can give me a thumbs up. Or if you want to subscribe and get further videos of mine, you're welcome to do that. Hit the big red subscribe button. Thanks very much. Bye-bye for now.